Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar Dua Lipa here with what I think is her best song here from her latest releases here. This one is called French Exit, alright? So it's a cool song, a little bit of different style of playing here, this melody. We're gonna look at that, and the easiest scenario for us will be the capo here on the 4th fret. That will be the best way to handle this pretty fast melody. So let's put a capo here on 4th. We don't have to go over different chords. This melody is based upon 4 different chords: the A minor, the A sharp, the G minor, and the C. But we'll not hold that full chords. So I just mentioned the chord, and we'll look at the melody chord by chord now. So let's do this. We have first the A minor. It goes like this. So you're gonna play open A, 2nd D, 1st B, then 2nd G. That's the A minor. The next chord or grip is the A sharp, but it starts with a clap, okay? Okay, like this. And then comes this part. So what I do here, I'll play a bar here on the 1st fret. You don't have to if you don't want to. You can just reach the 1st fret A string. That is the note you want here. And just do this just with a, automatically, pretty much grip a bar there. But you don't have to do that. Just go with the 1st fret A string. That's enough. You're gonna play clap and then 1st A, 3rd D, 1st A again, and 3rd B. So far slowly we learned A minor and A sharp. It goes like this. Okay, and then over to the G minor chord. What you do here is to play. So that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass, open D, then 3rd G, and then you snap off, you pull off like this to get the open B, open G. So 3rd B, not B, G, sorry, 3rd G, and then pull off to get the open G. So that is the G part, slowly. And then you have the final chord based upon the C. You start that with a clap, and it goes. So that will be 3rd on A, 1st B, back to 3rd A, and open E, the high E. And that is the end note of this melody. So slowly, one round goes like this. In standard tempo, something like this. 4 rounds, and you can do that through the entire song. And that pretty much covers Dua Lipa's French Exit. Great, cool song here. A little bit different. I love that. So, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you can support me here on Going Guitar. I appreciate all your support there and leaving comments. Subscribe to this channel is the ultimate way to support me here. So I really appreciate that. So thank you, and play tuned.